Welcome everyone, my name is Bart, you are watching the PhoneReco channel. Today I have iPhone X with error 4014 after the screen replacement. So let's check it out and find out where the problem is. Great. So iPhone X is fixed. That was the problem 4014 during restore because accidentally a customer when he tried to replace the LCD, he damaged the capacitor and was causing a short on 0.9 volts NAND, which I replaced that capacitor and everything back to normal. Yes, thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.